I'm Jennifer with Peoria Public Library. I'm head of technical services and we process all the new items. I thought we'd do an unboxing video to show you some of the things that are coming out soon. Be at the shelves, on the shelves at your branch. Oh, a new Stephen King book, Billy Summers. From what I've read about this one, it is less horror, more kind of crime thriller. So that will surely be a good read. Bare Minimum Dinners. This is by Jenna Helwig. Recipes and strategies for doing less in the kitchen. Who doesn't love that? We all want to do a little bit less. Don't Hug Doug. He Doesn't Like It. Written by Carrie Finnison. Spoiler alert, I think Doug does like high fives. This is a really cute book for kids. Oh, Paula Hawkins, she wrote the very popular Girl on the Train. This one's called Slow Fire Burning. And from what I've read, instead of one unreliable narrator, this one has 5. So that should make it interesting. Puzzle to figure out. Oh, this is a Vince Flynn book. These are now written by Kyle Mills, and Miata Gates. It's a Mitch Rapp novel. It's the 20th in the series, but you can read these as standalone, and this one has really good reviews on Goodreads, like 4.69 or 4.7 out of 5. Joy Fielding Cul de Sac. This is one of those kind of domestic thrillers where everybody has a secret and somebody ends up dead, of course. Okay, I love children's nonfiction. Brains, Not Just a Zombie Snack by Stacy McAnulty. Not sure how to pronounce that. This is a nonfiction book about brains, both people and animal brains. We could all get a little smarter if we had more time to read some children's nonfiction. Oh. Was not expecting an avalanche. Okay. Oh, last book, perfect. A Farewell to Gabo and Mercedes. This is about Gabriel Garcia Marquez. It's a memoir written by his son, and this is perfect because it's Hispanic Heritage Month. I know that we have a lot of books by Hispanic authors, and right now on Libby, the app that you can read ebooks, they've done a curated collection of Hispanic authors. So you can look for all these things in your branch, and we are expecting a ton of books coming out in the next month. A lot of things that were delayed due to COVID have October release dates. So make sure you head into your local Peoria Public Library branch.